For democracy to work for all of us, it must include all of us. But in 2013, the Supreme Court shattered our democracy, setting the stage for an onslaught of assaults on our most basic fundamental rights. The right to make decisions about our own bodies, protection from abusive policing, and more. With Shelby County versus Holder, 5 justices ended half a century of progress against race discrimination, hard won by the civil rights movement despite violence and hate. Critical protections against blocking Black people from the ballot box. The ink hadn't even dried on the decision before states turned back the clock on Black and brown people's freedom to vote, callously embracing a future that is dragging us back to an ugly past. Because we have been powerful, pushing to fix policing, improve our schools, support our people, countless states have closed polling places in our communities, purged untold thousands from voter rolls, even discrediting the legitimacy of our ballots lawfully cast. Now, some politicians want to take away our community's power to ensure their own, like in Texas, where state lawmakers drew their congressional districts to give white voters more power than the growing communities of brown and Black people. But our vote is our voice, and we do not have, nor can we protect our civil and human rights without it. So here's my message to those who think they can silence us and end our fundamental rights. We will not be silenced. Like our parents and grandparents, we will fight every attack on our communities and our freedoms, and not just to stop anti-voter special interests from making everything worse, but to make things better for everyone, all races, all backgrounds, all zip codes. Communities are coming together, fighting back against unfair voting laws and fighting for laws that help, not hurt. We do need Congress to restore the Voting Rights Act and make sure every citizen can participate in democracy. And Congressman John Lewis said democracy is an act, and we're acting, informing people about their right to vote, how to vote, why to vote. We are holding politicians accountable and building a civil and human rights organizing network that will win policies for all of us. This may not happen overnight, but it will happen. It already has. We got the John Lewis Voting Rights Act, mail-in balloting, police reform, all the way through the House of Representatives. We hit a wall in the Senate, but we can tear that wall down too. We can save our democracy and take back our fundamental rights. We can't do it without you. Join us in this fight, because it takes all of us.